to surprise my sister and the kids.
Join in on this.
I'm crouching. Ooh.
I'm breaking raw, guys. This is my first meal, not raw, since the festival. Coming at you guys from the Kelowna airport. Well, across the street from the Kelowna airport at Freshie. I'm gonna eat this bowl. I don't know if it'll kill me or not, but we're gonna find out. I'm excited though. We just got to my parents' house. We're gonna go surprise my mom. Let's go. All right, so it's already recording. You can hold it here or there or whatever.
Okay.
And you don't have to get close, but just stay behind me a little bit.
Surprise my sister and the kids.
Join in on this.
I'm crouching. Ooh.
Here comes Theo, he's running.
Happy birthday, Grandpa!
Okay, back up. Let's get back on the sidewalk. Okay, I'll be right there. Is it on?
Yes. Auntie Holly!
Oh my gosh!
You knew! They knew! They surprised me last night!
Oh my gosh! I started to wonder.
You know what happened?
You crazy girl! What the heck are you doing?
She surprised you here!
I changed my dress.
Can you believe?
We're gonna show her a new Lego set!
School's canceled!
What does that mean? Just kidding.
It's
Rosie this morning was like, she literally got out of bed and came up from to the living room and said, I miss Auntie Holly. And I said, well, let's call her.
You sure got your wish.
Wow.
Look at you guys. I can't even. I miss you guys so much.
Okay, I have to wake up.
When he was a young warthog, when I was a young warthog. For the rest of your days, Hakuna Matata.
Rosie, where are we going? We're going to the pool, but right now everybody's napping. See you there.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go.
Teacher, how are you doing? Okay, I'm doing it too.
Rosie, you see how there's nothing to be afraid of?
For me, I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Oh no! Oh, honey! Oh, honey!
TJ, you're fine. Good job, buddy.
I had 2 hours on my knees.
Did you get owls?
Yeah.
Sweetie.
And I got these bonded.
Oh, good.
Yeah. And I feel better.
Oh, that's great news. So
Yeah.
you can walk okay, right?
Well,
Just a tiny bit hurt?
yeah, it's a tiny bit hot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I am queen of these children.
Hey! Oopsie.
Hi everyone. I've just been hanging out with the family. This is my niece, Rosie, and my nephew, Theo. And I'm obsessed with these two. And there's another one. He's upstairs. I'm obsessed with him too.
I swam in a life jacket.
For the first time.
For the first time.
Yeah, she did so good. So yeah, I'm really just on like chill mode, not going out of my way to make a lot of videos and vlog a whole lot, but I just wanted to pop in and say hi, and that this is what I'm up to.
I am Cookie Monster!
Wow, TJ! You brought us the park.
Yeah.
Show the camera. See, you're on camera. Oops.
We will be
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me.
What do you think of it?
Good. A road is wet. Puppy chow.
What? Let me see. Oh my goodness! Puppy chow and a rainbow. Does it get better than this?
I can see the whole thing.
I know, it's so cool.
Who said you needed Hawaii to have rainbows?
Oh, it's getting so bright.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me hang out with my family. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And
Didn't you catch it?
and I will see you guys all really soon with another video. In the meantime, I hope you're all doing very well. I love you so much. Peace.
Almost.
You want to say peace, guys?
Peace.